first little ride since we put fairings on today. Did like almost a 4-hour live stream. Got it done in, who knows, about 3.5 hours. New fairings on and whatever else came with it. I should have upped up my ISO to 800, but I didn't even know if I was going to go for a ride. I just wanted to take a small little putt. Don't trust them, so I'm just going to do a U-turn here. So I don't want to go out on the main streets. Just want to stay in the back. Heck, we'll go to Little Back River. I think it's 30 miles an hour here. If so, that's what I'm doing. I got a light summer jacket on, about ready to turn dusk, and there it is, pretty damn close, and you can just see a beautiful sunset. All the colors, and gotta be watching for polar otters no matter what here. Yeah, I didn't get out of first gear yet. This might be 35 here. Got a lot of streets right next to the road, so say back out or pull out. You don't want to be going too fast. Haven't been back in these ways for quite a while. There's a park. Look at that big bus. Somebody got money. Hopefully we got a great little rear side view. You know how I'll make a short or two out of it. You know, the old music shorts. The old go-to for numbers on your subscriptions, so you look better. It don't do nothing for you, because those people never come see you. The ones that do are the ones that are in your readily available community. Don't forget that, people. Take care of your community members, ones that go out of their way to support you, to help you out, to teach you things, to give you constructive and criticisms. Yeah, the ones that show up and put the actual comments on your lives and your content. Yeah. Don't forget those ones. Those are the ones that have spent hours and hours and days and weeks and months going to your content, clicking a like, clicking a share, making some comments, taking time with you on personal things for you. There's a lot of that in the community. A lot of people that do that. I salute you guys. salute you. And those are the things that drive me to do what I do, you know, what little bit I can help here and there. Very small scale, but it's something.
That's something. I get so tickled over this.
And much love to you all. The biking slash trucking slash whatever genre you're in, politicals, mysticals. There's so many communities that join together and that bond up, all because of YouTube and community supporters. Not the ones that is because you say you got 1,000 or 5,000 subscribers. What are they doing for you? Do you see 5,000 hits on each one of your videos? Do you see 10,000 hits? Do you see 5,000, 10,000 likes, comments on videos? Do you see, what is the percentage of your subscribers that show up? Other than the ones that we have in the community. That's the point that I'm trying to make. And hey, we all fall short, we all forget our gratitude, we all, including myself, on a daily. But it's just like, you know, when you get things, sometimes like when I get things going good and whatever, I'm not as grateful and I'm not as helpful and kind, because I got things all, my ego says I got it all made, I'm good, I don't have to reach out as much, yeah. I know, just a thought. I had no clue to coming out here to talking about anything other than I'm grateful. I have the R1 and I'm riding the R1 scratch free. Fairings are fixed. She's beautiful. That's why you see me, I ain't even hit on it the smallest bit. I just want it to take a nice smooth little putty ride. Putty buddy ride. That's what I got. Now I'll be careful of this stuff now that my fairings are all good. Yeah, because I got more gratitude. See, I got something to protect. And I'm going to bring my lovely Endeavor in too. She's been sitting out for a couple weeks outside, and I swore I wouldn't do those things again because I put so much work and effort into her. I want to see her be good and have a happy life in the garage where she can be safe. Yeah, where she can be safe. Hopefully we can make some decent little videos out of the side view, huh? Yeah, thanks for going along on my little ride. She needs a serious cleanup now, and I did oil the chain and maintenance did a little bit, but yeah, she needs more. She needs more TLC. She really deserves it. It's been an awesome bike. I'm gonna treat her with lots of love and respect and kindness, just like my community members do to me and my friends and my family, you know. I mean, and when somebody isn't, that's okay. You can love and pray for them. And you can learn from those types of things and try to apply not doing that yourself. So, yeah, just stuff in general, you know. Yeah, definitely. It's not directed towards anybody, so they're just thoughts that I wanted to say about the community and how grateful we need to be and that we have each other. So, with that, we'll sign out. Say I love each and every one of you. Take care. Hope to see you soon again. Bye-bye.